So, good day, sir. Today I'll be reciting the Miranda rights in English. So, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one will be provided for you. Do you understand the right I have read to you? With this right in mind, do you wish to speak to me? So, good day again, sir. Today, I'll be reciting the Miranda rights in Tagalog. So, ikaw ay may karapatang manahimik o magpasawalang kibo. Ano man ang iyong sabihin ay maaaring gamitin pabor o laban sa iyo sa anumang hukuman. Ikaw ay mayroon ding karapatang kumuha ng tagapagtanggol na iyong pinili. At kung wala kang kakayahan, ito ay ipagkakaloob sa iyo ng pamahalaan. Nauunawaan mo ba ito?